You're in terrible shape. Adam, you're drunk. You're really drunk.
Caller reports a reckless driver running cars off the road. Trooper stops the vehicle. Turns out, it's a Jackson County deputy.
Report, you're in terrible shape. Huh? You're in terrible shape. Adam, you're drunk. You're really drunk.
804, so I'm going to be out here 13.
People calling in saying you've been running all over the road. I get in behind you, get you speeding, and you're all over the road. Adam, you're drunk. You're really bad drunk, buddy.
No, I'm not drunk.
Yeah, I'm 100%, buddy.
No.
Yeah, you are. Real bad, too. It's not just a little bit. Okay? I really hate you putting me in this position, but I'm going to do my job, okay? You understand that? I hate it terribly. Yes, sir. Real bad. Do you have a weapon in your truck? Who can we call to come get your truck? Who can we call to come get your truck?
2016, March of 2016.
Watch everything. Newport, I'm going to stop. County's giving it to me. Real bad driver. I'm out with him. Be 10-6 Who's our supervisor on duty? I'm 367, just south of the intersection by State Police, Old State Police.
Newport 24.
Hey, Nick, I'm going to back up a little bit.
R69, Irish Hill at 150 white and color, 620 Young Ida Lincoln, 620 Young Ida Lincoln.
Can you give us the number that somebody can come get your vehicle? Can you give us the number that somebody can come get your vehicle? You got a phone number? What about that in a second? Come on up here for a second now. Come on up here with me for a second. Adam, I've been doing this a long time, and I know you know it, but I'm telling you right now, before I even go very far, you're very intoxicated. It's obvious. You can't drive worth a flip, and you can't walk worth a flip. So there's no, like, maybe a chance of, it's not just a little bit, I promise you. You're going to blow on PT, nope. Because it's not like a little bit, it's a lot.
804,
Right. Again, I done told you once, I hate it, and I'm going to go through the motions like I'm supposed to. Okay? You're going to take my test?
Yeah.
All right, do you want to take a preliminary breath test? Do you want to take a PBT test? Just lean on my car, guys. Take a deep breath and blow hard for about 5 or 6 seconds. Hard.
Everything's going to go out. I just don't have my board.
Remember, you're at a .19.
0.19. That's no way.
You busy? Can you help me out? And I got some bad news. I got Adam 𝗙𝗶𝗿 on a stop at a .19.
Newport,
Yeah.
we 10-8 from here. Be in the area. I'll attempt to locate the subject question there.
Call, I'm right here close to Old State Police Headquarters. You care to come help me with this vehicle? I got Kai here with me now. I don't know how I can't. It's bad. Yeah. Do what now? Negative. No, it sucks.
I'm not. Yeah. So come up here and help me with this vehicle if you don't care. We'll get it. Thanks, buddy. So this sucks, but Aaron Thomas was on the way to get his vehicle.
We'll take a
Talk to Mike. You can tell him if you want. Put that in your pocket. Put that in your pocket. Yeah. Let's go ahead and go on here. You stay for Aaron to get his vehicle. Come on right here. Nope.
Stand out here and face me. Put your hat on for me.
Hands keep together, hands to your side. That's fine, you can hold it or whatever. Keep together, hands to your side. Just my finger with the eyes.
I have one my number out of Georgia. Well, go ahead. 054-588-099. Repeating 054-588-099.
It's okay. It's okay.
054-588-099. Return to Jason Christopher Kennedy. 225 and 77 GLB. And it shows to be a violation.
Almost done. That's good enough on that. Just on the earth here.
Commercial.
Put your right foot in front of your left foot and stand like that for me. So you don't want to do this test? I will try. Just try to put your right foot in front of your left foot and stand like that. Heel to toe. Okay. Don't start until I ask you to. When I ask you to, take a series of 9 steps forward, heel to toe. 1, 2, 3. I took 3, you'll take 9. Your 9th step, turn around like this and take 9 back, heel to toe. 1, 2, 3. I took 3, you'll take 9. Heel to toe on every step, 9 steps forward. Count out loud every step you take.
Trooper calls it like it is. Adam, you're drunk. Breath test confirms. Twice the legal limit. Arrested, pleads guilty, but keeps his job.